Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Aaron. I'm over here at Palm Harbor Homes in Killeen. I'm a housing consultant here, and my job is to find you your dream home. Here I'm standing in my Arlington 48 model. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,440 square feet. I'm going to go ahead and talk about some of the beautiful features inside this home. Here we have a beautiful entertainment center built in the living room. It's gorgeous. It's massive. As well as the entertainment center, we have tape and texture inside the living room as well. If we go ahead and move into the kitchen, here we have hand-laid element flooring, as you can see. We also have a gigantic island. This island is so big it should have its own area code. If we go ahead and move around, you can also see the beautiful backsplash behind the stove area. Also our name brand appliances, as you can see, Whirlpool. That's what we like to use here. Also you see the farm sink here. What's better than just a regular sink? Well, we have the farm sink built in for you. If we go ahead and move around, you can also see the barn door for our pantry area. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and it just doesn't take up a lot of room. If you want to know how to own this home, go ahead and give me a call at 512-712-8576. You can check out our website at killeen.palmharbor.com, or you can go ahead and visit me down here at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway. Not only is that a good deal, but this house is on sale as well, up to $10,000 off. So call me today.